Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute heart-shaped lollipop bouquet for Valentine's Day. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the bow at the bottom. We'll start with a curve, and then 2 curves down to form a triangle shape. Now for the top corners, let's curve it up and out on both sides. Then from the top, let's curve it back down. Now from the ends, let's draw an S-shaped curve down on both sides. And now let's curve it back in to the center. Now inside, from the middle, let's draw a curve out and down. And then a smaller one underneath. And that's it for the top part of the bow. Let's move underneath and draw the pieces hanging down. We'll start underneath the middle and draw an S-shaped curve down, like this, on both sides. Then underneath the bow, another curve down. And now let's close off the ends with an angled curve line. And lastly, inside at the top of these sections, let's draw a curve down and back up at the end. And that's it for the bow. Next, let's draw the lollipops. We'll start by drawing the center lollipop. From the center of the bow, let's draw 2 vertical lines up. And then curve it off at the end. Now let's do the same thing underneath the bow. Let's draw 2 lines down, and then a curve at the bottom. And that's it for the first stick. Let's draw the other ones going out on an angle. Let's draw 2 angled lines up on the right, and close it off at the end. And the same thing on the left side. Now let's move down and draw the bottom of these sticks. Underneath the bow here, let's draw an angled line down on both sides, and then curve it back up into the bow. And that's it for the sticks. Next, let's draw the candy at the top. Let's start by drawing a heart shape overlapping the middle stick like this. Now underneath on the left, let's draw another curve down to the stick, but not overlapping it this time. And let's do the same on the right. Next, inside the heart, let's draw a curved line on the top right. Now let's move over and draw the right heart. Let's start on the side and let's draw a curve down. And then finish off the heart behind it in the same way like this. And again, underneath the heart, let's draw curves down to the stick. And for the left side, a diagonal line here. And again, a curve on the top right inside. Now let's move over and draw the left heart in the same way. So let's start on the left side of the first heart and draw a curve down. Then bring it up and back down to the stick and back up. Now let's move down and draw the curve underneath to the stick, and then a diagonal line on the other side. And lastly, a curve inside on the top left. Next, I'm going to move back inside the middle heart and draw a face. Let's draw a curve in the middle for the mouth. Then 2 curves for the eyes. And now I'm going to add 2 eyelashes on the outsides. And that's it for this cute heart lollipop bouquet. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!